your heart right. Walk in the day and refuse the night. Better than gold, better than high esteem. A good name's
With a nipple. These are called nipples.
Yeah.
Don't make fun of me for saying nipple, dude. All right, good morning, guys. It's Monday morning, and it feels like a Monday morning. I had a weird night of sleep. You know when you try to go to sleep early, and then you wake up at like midnight, and then you're up for 3 or 4 hours? That's kind of what happened to me last night. I got about an hour drive out to Porterville, and before I do that, we're gonna hit good old Tom's Donut Shop, number 2. I don't know where number 1 is. All right, guys, so Juan and I hit Home Depot. We got the stuff we need. Pulling into the Springville project. Sun's trying to come out, which is nice. It's been kind of a gloomy morning, and I don't know, I'm just not ready for that yet. It looks like it's gonna fit perfect. Man, we got a lot of extra tile. Look at that.
Yeah. You return those?
I think so. Yeah, for that one, I think we can. There we go. That worked out. I think I might need to go back to Home Depot.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think the size is a bigger pipe down here. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's 1 inch. All right, guys, so this guy's gonna have a 5-foot burner, linear. Be something like that. It's gonna be perfect. Have a little bit of gap on each side. So we're gonna raise this up. That's what the cinder block's for. We may need to do like 1.5 high, so we may be cutting a good amount of block. What we could do though, technically, is go 1 course high and then level it out with some gravel just to get this to set at a nice level. And then on top of the gravel, we could put like, you know, fiberglass or lava rock, whatever.
I forgot to say one thing on that video. Don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe.
Dude, say it, Juan. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Yep.
I always forget to say that. We got to increase our subscriber base, man. Let's see if these are the right. Oh, here we go. I got a reducer. Nice.
How many boxes did you order for the stone?
For this stone?
Yeah.
Gosh, dude, I don't even know. I think I ordered about 200 square feet.
Yeah, because some of those strips look like they might fit on some parts. Like the ones we were saving right there in the beginning.
Yeah. Oh, are those already cut to size?
No, those were the ones that were coming out.
Oh.
The strip we did over here.
But will those fit up here?
Some of them look like they will.
Oh, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. Look at all this trash.
I know, dude.
It's a lot of trash.
I'll get cleaned up in one day though.
Yep, let's come tackle it. It's a good day. It's an easy day, honestly. Scrape it.
It's a Friday.
That's a Friday job. Just come clean up. I wonder how many scorpions are out here today.
The big one, that one didn't even move when I lifted the stone.
Cause he was cold or dying?
I don't. It might have been cold.
Yeah.
The little small ones, those did though. Those took off right away.
Were they fast or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, I know. Well, the reason I got gloves at Home Depot is for that.
For that, right?
Yeah, because I'm.
I had in my head. I like probably got them.
I'm not trying to get stung.
Was that the right size you have?
Well, no, I'm gonna have to go buy a reducer for sure for that pipe. I want to say it's
mark it for me in the front. I'll get through it.
And you'll punch a hole?
Yeah.
This came with an extension.
Yeah.
This will go through the wall. It's plastic, yeah. But we could technically use a pipe also.
Yeah, I think it'll be a lot safer.
You think it'd be better, huh?
Long run.
Well, I think you're right, dude. So like basically this with a nipple. These are called nipples.
Yeah.
Don't make fun of me for saying nipple, dude. See the ball valve open? I mean, obviously we tighten it down pretty good, but I mean, and then this would be out here.
Oh yes, just put it in there. Don't it come like with the outside thing? Or you gotta buy that yourself?
What outside? Oh, oh no, I think it's in here. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
I think that's in here. So this will go as a cap.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're talking about.
We just measure it off the stone.
Cool. All right, man. I'll be back. Oh, look at you, dude. You're going fast.
There's no sun today.
I know, you could just let it go like that, huh?
Yeah, so I just let it flow.
Did you already sponge this? Or that's old? That's where you stopped?
That's where I stopped.
Nice. I'm gonna have scorpions in this box. Cricket. I think that's what that is. These are the anchors for the bar stools. So we'll have bar stools, and each one of these, there's 4 of them. How much does light sticking up out of the plaster?
I say...
That's kind of how much we'd want this to be sticking up.
Okay.
From the bottom there.
Looks like a half inch.
Yeah, about a half inch or so. Yep.
An inch probably.
A little bit more is better than not enough.
Okay.
Cool. So when I was gone, Juan punched this through. First things first though, I'm gonna open up this cap at the bottom here and see what we're doing. Luckily I don't need a huge nipple for this. I don't have little nipples, I only have big ones. So let's see if that's the case. Might be dead on. If we could do a
My
thick stone
daddy
right there.
told me, child, keep your hand on the plow. The Lord smiles down on the working man now.
Okay.
I've seen fields withered, I've seen days run long, but the hand of the diligent will rise up strong. Oh, keep your name clean, keep your heart right. Walk in the day and refuse the night. Better than gold, better than high esteem. A good name's worth more than a rich man's dream. I've seen men talk big, but never lift a stone. They chase their hunger, still starving to the bone. But the soul of the diligent is richly fed, while the lazy man craves till the day's dead. Oh, keep your name clean, keep your heart right. Walk in the day and refuse the night. Better than gold, better than high esteem. A good name's worth more than a rich man's dream. Commit your work to the Lord above. Commit your work and be guided in love. He'll straighten your path, he'll steady your...
All right, guys. So, I wanted to say one more thing. Juan today told me, "Hey, Matt, there's one thing you're forgetting in your YouTube videos." He said you never tell people to like and subscribe. So, this is me telling you guys to like and subscribe. I'm getting Miranda a latte at Cup of Joy. Cup of Joy is this cool coffee shop in town.